Okay, let's go.
Hello mga ka-journey! So today is Wednesday at ngayon ang opening ng The Groove Box, yung business ni Kuya Ronnie.
And we are here at Port Hawkesbury Community Park.
Yes.
Ayun yung store niya, guys.
That is the Port Hawkesbury Community Park. Ayun yung The Groove Box.
Ayun yung kulay ng colorful. So naka-invite na.
So pupuntahan natin ngayon at bibisitahin natin ang business ni Kuya Ronnie as a support and as promotion na din para sa business niya. Okay?
Habang konti pa ang customer. Kasi mamaya sigurado, dudumungin yan.
Tama.
After ng school, pag-uwi ng mga bata, nako dito yan.
That's true kasi at the moment, anong oras ngayon? Mga 10 a.m. So nasa school ang mga bata, wala pang masyadong tao. So we will grab this opportunity para makausap sila.
Oo. Kasi mamaya wala nang chance.
Exactly.
Busy na siya.
Yes.
So tara na guys, mga
Bye.
ka-journey.
See you later guys. So ayan na, good morning mga ka-journey. Dito na tayo ngayon sa exact location ng business ni Kuya Ronnie, The Groove Box. Today is, Kuya, is it soft opening or grand opening na today? Or ngayon na talaga yung
Is it hard opening?
So yeah, so ito na yung talagang opening ng business ni Kuya Ronnie, The Groove Box, ice, and
May 14?
Coffee and ice cream. No, coffee and ice cream.
Coffee and ice cream. Napakasarap ng ice cream dito.
And we will try
ice cream are so
yes.
delicious.
So, ayan.
So, mga ka-journey, please visit.
Yes, visit us today. Kuya, hanggang anong oras yung opening, yung operation natin?
Hanggang 7.
7. So, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is maliwanag pa. Maybe
Yes, of
8
course.
like that. No? Maybe mag-extend ka. Kasi,
I'll see, kasi hindi ko pa alam.
maybe mamaya dudumugin to.
Yeah, today.
Sayang may pasok tayo.
Correct, that's true.
Pero pupunta si Press dito, sila mamaya.
Oh, yeah.
Oo. Sila President Ricky Lanti.
Nagro-roll lang yan ha. Go ka lang.
Yeah.
So the Groove Box located here at the heart of Port
Hawkesbury Community Park. Please visit.
Yes, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Every day?
Yeah.
Every day.
Even
yes.
Sunday. Yeah. You should
Sunday,
open.
I will open on 3 o'clock maybe Sunday, 3 or 4.
Oh yeah,
Because
yeah. Because
I want to go to
church,
church.
yeah.
Wow,
Church day.
yes,
Family day
yes.
after lunch,
Very
then
good.
yeah, park. Yeah, even the
Yes.
people also, right?
So kuya, ano yung mga ano natin?
Bestseller. Ayun.
No, hindi mo na. Lahat muna ng available na product.
So we have ice cream, different flavor of ice cream, and frappuccino, and cappuccino.
Yeah,
Iced coffee?
Yeah, iced coffee too.
Like mocha iced coffee, you have
Yeah.
caramel iced coffee,
Yeah,
and
caramel iced coffee, iced coffee,
What-
mocha iced
what are the
coffee.
other flavors? Vanilla iced coffee?
We
You
have
have?
vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Oh, hazelnut.
And,
Roasted hazelnut?
yeah, raspberry and pumpkin spice.
Oh, pumpkin spice.
Wow. So kuya, hot lang ba? Ay, cold lang ba ang i-serve mo?
Also hot.
Oh, wow,
And
kasi
cold.
tamang-tama kasi
you
hindi
have
pa ako
lattes as
nagkakape,
well?
mga ka-journey. So,
Ay,
we will
magkape
try.
tayo.
Yes.
Sige, sige.
Okay, yeah. Okay, see you later,
Lattes.
guys. Bye-bye.
Order na tayo, mga ka-journey.
So, yeah,
So,
si G ang first customer. Ng
Can
The
I
Groove
have
Box.
roasted hazelnut latte?
Roasted hazelnut latte.
Yes, please. What about you? Would you like 3x4?
Oh, yeah, I'm still deciding. Ano ba? What
What about
Kasi hindi pa ako nagkape, so...
caramel
it's the
latte?
best. Caramel latte?
yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure. Let's
Caramel
try that.
latte for him and for me roasted hazelnut.
Oh, ayan siya. So,
Okay,
it's
Pero nandun yung mic.
So, what did you order?
I ordered roasted hazelnut latte with caramel toppings.
Wow! Roasted hazelnut latte with caramel topping.
Yeah, may pa-freebie siyang
Wow.
caramel. Pero normally wala atang caramel talaga yun.
Yes. Try mo na.
Ganyan na.
Try mo na.
Lasang hazelnut?
Ang ganda ng box.
Ayan na yung order mo.
Yeah. So, it's
Saan
the
yung in-order
same.
mo?
It's the same. It's a roasted hazelnut latte with a flower of caramel syrup.
Ay, roasted hazelnut din yan? Akala ko caramel.
Sinanin at ni Kuya, pinareho na lang.
Okay. Nice.
Kasi I want to try this.
Taste
Oh!
You're a big fan of coffee, right?
Exactly. Sarap.
I'm not really a big fan
This
of
is
coffee.
very, Very good kasi hindi pa ako nagkape today. Alam mo naman ako, di ba, hindi ako nag-start ng araw ko na walang
3x4.
So, yeah.
So pag ang nilalagay nila pag nag-order ka sa drive-thru, FNG.
Yes, napansin ko nga yun. Ay, sarap nga. Lasa nga siyang SB.
Oo. Lasang SB. Hindi.
Harap.
Picturean ko kayo para ipopost ko
Yes.
Yes.
We are the first customer of the Groove Bags.
Hi! Welcome to the new business here in Park Hawkesbury.
Ano pong orderin nyo?
I don't know. Maybe ice cream or sandwich.
Oh, sandwich. Okay. Ikaw, Miss Carla, anong orderin mo?
Hotdog.
Hotdog.
May friend ako.
Pogi?
Malandi ka talaga. Malandi.
Guys. Good morning. We are giving sample.
A frappuccino for that store. From the Groove Box. If you want to try something, it's a coffee.
Yeah, frappuccino with caramel toppings.
Or chocolate.
Or chocolate.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try one.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Yeah,
Thank
you're welcome.
Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream, so sweet. I've got some ice cream in my hand, cold and creamy, just like I planned. Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream in my hand. I've got some ice cream in my hand, cold and creamy, just like I planned. 1, 2, 3. Pass me that cone. 4, 5, 6. You'll need a napkin quick. 7, 8, 9. It's a summer sign. Ice cream, oh so fine. Ice cream, get in my belly. Ice cream, get in my belly. Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream in my hand, cold and creamy, just like I planned. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry swirl, toppings galore, get in my belly. Mango, matcha, peanut butter, yum. Ice cream, all in my tummy. Ice cream, so sweet. Ice cream, so sweet.